In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a broker to MetaTrader 4. Now, by default, whenever you sign up for a broker, they usually have on their website of that specific broker, they'll give you an option to download MT4 for that specific broker, which has the broker pre-built in, so you actually don't have to look for it. However, if you have the classic MT4, you could go and still add any broker you want via the method I'm going to show you right now. So go to the top left and click on File, and then click on Open an Account. When you do this here, you'll see trading servers, and here by default you're only going to have MetaQuote's demo, which is of course the demo one from MT4. But what you can also do is click on add new broker over here, and you want to basically type in their broker name. So if I go and type in, for example, XNAS, I can look for it, it's going to look for it, and there we go. As you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. Now you can wait for this to actually load on, and you'll see, there we go, there's going to be like different connections. You're going to see the ping and the company, etc., and that way you can find your broker. And whenever you find the broker you want to connect to, I'm going to go with, for example, this one over here. I'm going to click on it and click on next. You'll be able to basically add the broker by clicking existing trade account, logging in with your credentials. So usually whenever you create an MT4 account with a broker, you'll receive the login and the password credentials to your email, as well as of course the server, and of course directly inside the broker portal as well. Now if you wanna, you can of course create a new demo account with that broker as well, or a real one, which usually will take you to their broker's official website, where you can then create your demo and real accounts as well. Okay, so that's how to add a broker. When you're done, click on finish and you'll be successfully connected. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.